In a triangle ABC, the length of the side AB and AC equals 17.5 and 9 centimeter respectively. Let D be a point on the line segment BC such that AD is perpendicular to BC. If AD is 3, then what is the radius in centimeter of the circle circumscribing the triangle ABC? So let's draw this. Let's say this is A, B, C. In triangle ABC, the length of AB is 17.5 and AC is 9. Let D be a point on the line segment BC such that AD is perpendicular. So if I drop a perpendicular from here, it is given to me as 3. What is the radius of the circumscribing circle? So let's assume the length of BC be B. Now, area of triangle ABC can be calculated as half into base into height, which is BC into AD, or this can also be calculated as the ABC, AB into BC into AC upon 4 times circumradius. So let's equate this. BC is B, AD is 3, equal to AB is 17.5, BC is B, AC is 9 upon 4 times circumradius. Okay, so this is 2. So it is B and B gets cancelled. It is 6R equal to 17.5 into 9, or R equal to 17.5 into 9 by 6. 3 2s are 3s are. It is 17 3s are 51, 52.5 by 2, or 26.25. Option E is the right answer.